Hello. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 2320, State of Texas versus Jashawn Stein. Can I have parties announced?
David McLean for the defense.
And are you Mr. Stein?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jashawn Stein who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 2320 for the offense of felon in possession of a firearm on April 19, 2022 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 18th day of April 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jashawn Stein, committed the offense of evading arrest in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
That's true.
Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jashawn Stein, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January 2024 through December 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that?
That's true.
Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jashawn did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January 2023 through December 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that?
State will waive the remaining alleged allegations.
Any objections? All right, did you understand by pleading true to violations 1, 4, and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 6 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1, 4, and 4? The court will find 1, 4, and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
I don't know, Your Honor, the state would be asking for revocation and sentencing to 6 years in the prison.
Your Honor, I've reviewed the report from probation. Probation is recommending ISF 2 in order to address Mr. Stein's cognitive issues and trying to get him to change the way he thinks. I've had an opportunity to confer with Mr. Stein about this matter. I know how seriously this court takes, especially the reporting requirements of probation. And I know he has not reported for almost 3 years now. I've explained that to Mr. Stein. What he's explained to me is that when he first began probation, there was a DWI or some sort of offense that had a warrant. He reported, probation said, we're not going to arrest for you now, but you got to get this cleared up. He did not report again. He's expressed to me that at the time he was struggling with drug addiction. He has since gone through rehab on his own through Northeast Rehabilitation Clinic in Arlington, Texas. He states to me that he is drug free at this time. He's trying to improve his life. He knows that he messed up. He's got some time left on this probation that I think we could still help Mr. Stein become a productive member of the society rather than just putting him into prison and institutionalizing. I'm asking the court to follow the recommendations from probation. And I know that's a big ask, but I think we've got enough time that we can do that. Put him on 0 tolerance. If he violates again, obviously the underlying is still there. And we can address that if we have to. Speaking with Mr. Stein today, he is clear-eyed. He is clear-minded. I do not believe he has any drug issues at this time. That's from just 30 years of experience of dealing with it. I'm not a doctor, but that's just my humble opinion. I think he can do this still, Judge, and we'd ask you to continue.
All right, here's my question. Has he done anything on probation?
He is not, Judge. He is presently working and employed. He works for a construction company. He is a paver. And so he is actively employed and being productive. But because of these issues that he had with not reporting so long, he has not performed anything on probation. He's got an outstanding balance. I think it's over $3,000 right now that is owed for his fees and court costs and those kind of things. I don't believe that there has been any kind of community services done either.
All right.
Looking at the court summary, Your Honor, it doesn't appear that community service was ordered. And I do see that there is an outstanding balance. The state would just add, with this probation looking at the requirements, it doesn't look like much was ordered, which we would urge shows the importance of reporting at home. And that's the biggest factor on this probation scale.
All right. Counsel, if you'll have him sign that. I just don't think you're appropriate for community supervision any longer. You've been on probation since 2022 and you haven't done anything. The only thing I have before me is that you pled true to an evading, which is a new offense, and you haven't reported.
I'm not looking for any sympathy. I'm just looking for understanding. At the moment, I wasn't in my right mind. That's why I turned myself in,
Mhm.
you know, and I was trying to get my life right. I know I wasn't reporting because I thought when I tried to turn myself in, the MTR wasn't popping up. It is, as you can see, I don't know when it just recently had popped up. You know, they said I didn't have no MTR.
So did he turn himself in?
Yeah, it was not
Oh, you're not under oath, so let me see.
showing up. So.
Anything I can see in the system, I see a book on 11/22, and that was been arrested me for new offenses, so I'm not sure if that was when the NTR was, if it was showing up as a warrant, but I do see that the last time an arrest was made wasn't. Yeah, that arrest would have been prior to the sign of that offense.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding 1, 4, and 4 true. The court will grant the motion. There is $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not that you are on community supervision. Because this is felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. And I'll also recommend the therapeutic community.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I don't think he did any inpatient treatment.
Not,
Okay.
no,
All
I
right,
didn't
thank
have it.
you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Who's next? Fifth one down, Ricky. Ricky Felt.
Yes. One other.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Do y'all have all of the discovery?
Well, Your Honor, to be honest, I don't know. I have not had the opportunity to see if we have everything and to review everything.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset for discovery. And sir, you need to make sure you're on time. Court starts at 9, okay? All right, your reset date will be March 26th. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring the reset form to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. A $10,000 fine. Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1 and 1?
Speak up. Yes.
Court will find 1 and 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, we don't have an agreement, but state is recommending revocation. This is the defendant's second MTR for the exact same offense that he committed while he was on deferred. And because of that, Judge, we got to revoke the defendant and sentence him to 2 years, take from the Texas Department of Health.
Sorry, to what?
Texas Department.
How many? I didn't hear you.
2 years.
2 years?
2 years.
Okay, yes.
And Your Honor, we do have an agreement. I apologize. The state, we were talking back and forth, and then when he wrote it out, I took the entire offer to my client, and we would ask that you please follow this agreement.
All right. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will revoke, find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And there is to be a continued no contact order with Jasmine Romo. Could somebody tell me, was the restitution paid for $1,797.56? Did you pay restitution?
No, Judge.
No, ma'am.
I don't think, no, Judge, it wasn't listed on the plea summary.
All right, there's to be restitution, and this was a part of your plea bargain agreement. There's to be restitution to Jasmine Romo in the amount of $1,797.56. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Sentencing, no, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Judge.
All right,
Thank you.
because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, you better start making better decisions. Otherwise, you're going to be in and out of prison. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
counsel. Anyone else ready?
No, first, I'm also working on it.
All right.
And Your Honor, I believe Mr. Prater is going to send her to.
Okay,
Just up here, so I have a hand.
all right, thank you.
Yep.
Still at the jail.
Yes.
On Christopher Saldania.
Mhm.
We were basically done. We reset sentencing for the restitution amount to be included in the judgment.
Mhm.
And the state has that, so we're ready. We were set for last Thursday, I think. And then a couple days I was not able to get here. I think Friday you ended up not having a docket. And then
Oh,
yesterday,
just sign in and I'll take it up.
okay, well, he refused to come from the jail.
And who is your guy?
Christopher Saldana.
Oh, just sign in and I'll
Okay,
take it up.
okay.
Judge from the Bruce.
Two TS cases. You judge?
Oh. I don't know.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, kindly judge.
Welcome.
This is, thank you.
3090.
Good morning or afternoon?
All right, everyone on Christopher Saldania. I think hasn't a motion to revoke been filed?
Yeah, we have all resolved. We're checking.
And Your Honor, we're trying to check with, court reporter here to see how far we got in the hearing. My understanding is just, but we already my note.
Okay.
Yeah. I thought the plea was through. And we agreed to revoke.
See, could I see the file on Christopher Saldania, please? Mhm. Yeah, there was a plea of true.
Is it on the 19th?
12th. Okay.
Identifying.
And then the state waived other violations.
Yes.
There was just a plea for true on one.
On one, and we waived all the other allegations. You found it true. And then reset on the 19th for sentencing and then reset.
We have an agreement on the sentencing.
We do have an agreed proposal for the court.
Yes.
And what is that going to be?
The agreement is that we're gonna propose to grant adjudication of guilt and sentence to 10 years based on the bank affiliation, criminal history, and the offense, which included stabbing another individual.
So were you all, that's what you all were in agreement with?
Yeah. But then there was an issue with the restitution. Was it 10?
Yes, it was 10.
The rest.
All right, so has the restitution issue been solved?
We attempted to figure that out, but we weren't able to gain him.
Joe Navarro. All right, what's happening with this case?
Judge, we've conferred and we're going to be submitting an application for PTD. I'll have them fill it out today. So we need some time to let that process play out.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date. All right, let me give you a date.
Sure.
All right, I'm gonna give you March 26th.
26th?
Yeah,
Okay.
once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, who's next?
Kenneth Howie, take mine at the bottom.
Who's here on Kenneth Howie? All right, come forward.
I'm assuming the name Kenneth Howie rings some bells.
Oh, yes.
So, if you, if the court recall, we sent him to Cross Point
Mhm.
to get him out of the neighborhood for a while.
Mhm.
Cross Point contacting me that they need to transition him out. He's done. He's doing the program. So
Okay, so they're needing to what? Okay, so do we have anything that we need to do?
I we need
Does he
to-
have a place to go?
oh, just home.
Okay, is that a great place for him?
I mean, it's as good a place as any. It would be back with his mother. Has not been any issues with mom in a few years. Mom wants him back. There is a no contact order that would have to be adjusted. But he's on for retaliation where she's not the victim. That's the probation case where she is not the victim of that. So
All right, have you conferred with the state over?
we've conferred. I'm gonna have him get with mom to confirm that she doesn't want to, that she wants him home.
Is our office not recused on Kim Howard?
No, it's, like I said,
Oh, okay, all right. Mr. Howie, ask Crosspoint if they could maybe give him 2 weeks, because if the state is recused, there's nothing.
and I understand. I know that, but this is kind of more of a routine probation matter. I don't even know if I need to address it because, I mean, it's more of a status report. This is what's going on. So I want to bring that to the court's attention, but I don't even know if I need to advocate at this point.
Well, my question is with regards to moving back in with his mom.
Okay.
I need to know if there are objections to that.
Okay.
So who was the prosecutor who was
It
the
was
special
The
prosecutor?
AG's office was on it last time.
Mhm.
Um,
Are you able to get in touch with them?
I guess I can reach out to them. I've got email addresses,
Yes.
but my experience is whenever we start the process, it takes a little while to get anything going on those. And I think this is, Crosspoint's contacting me because it's, time is of the essence here.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Is Crosspoint able to, are they able to keep him until, let's say, the 27th, Friday?
Let me, I'm sure we can keep them there till Friday and I can reach out to the AG's office and see if we want to.
All right, so Mr. Howie, this is what's gonna happen. They're gonna reach out to see if Crosspoint can keep you there till Friday. It's just legal issues on my end. And, oh, I'm sorry, you're muted, sir.
Bottom left hand.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Yes, ma'am.
So I just want to make sure that there are no objections from the special prosecutor, and these prosecutors are here. They're not allowed to give me input on your case. So your counsel is going to reach out to the AG's office, and we're going to see if we can resolve this. This will be resolved by Friday.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So, or maybe before Friday.
Hopefully.
Okay.
Well, I would appreciate that.
All right. We will do our best. Okay.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a good day.
Oh, thank you. God bless you too.
Oh, ma'am, did you receive the staff received my vase bouquet of flowers in November?
No, what flyers?
Flowers.
I sent flowers to the staff.
Oh, well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. All right. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
I'll talk about that.
All right, thank you.
The special prosecutor too, because I didn't confer with, I'm so sorry, but I was just hearing about things being listed, and since I've not had a chance to review the case, like, somebody needs to.
Well, at this point, it's, they need to get out of it, so I'm just trying to bring it to the court's attention.
Okay.
Advocate, so.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Howie.
Thank you, Judge Boyd.
You're welcome.
Am I through for the day?
Yes, you're done for today.
And how will I know, just real quick, will they contact Crosspoint to let me know if I could be out sooner or by Friday or?
Yes, they'll contact Crosspoint, and your attorney will let Crosspoint know, and your attorney will let you know as well.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It's totally different. He looks better, right? He does. Yeah. All right, who's next? All right, Herman Mitchell. Probation, this is an application.
It's gonna be a PSI, Your Honor.
All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 014509 State versus Herman Mitchell. Could I have parties announced?
Brandon Brady for the state.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Mr. Mitchell?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Mitchell, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we'll be proceeding on count one, but waiving the punishment now.
Any objection?
No objections.
Yes. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Judge.
Mr. Mitchell, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Amen.
All right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 4 years in the prison. The state is opposed to your application. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
It is, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Not.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Judge, we have to say exhibit number 1 and all of its attachments.
No objections.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
No, Judge, we request appeal.
Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, as you can tell, my client is elderly. He also has an elderly sister who he takes care of because she is having kidney failure. She has to receive dialysis and care daily. He is extremely worried about her health since he's been incarcerated. I think, Judge, reading the stipulations, you can tell that this was a very, I don't know what the word exactly is, but is a traffic stop for a bike riding without, I think it was about light around the sidewalk. He has taken responsibility for that. We're asking the court to grant his application for probation, and so that he can get back to treating his wife or his sister, as well as tending to his own care as well.
All right, state your post.
Judge, we are opposed.
All right, thank you. All right. Mr. Mitchell, I'm going to give you a choice. These are your choices. You have no other choices. I can place you on probation. I will place you on probation for 4 years. Your underlying sentence will be 4 years, or I can sentence you to 2 years in the prison. Which do you prefer? All right, court will find you guilty. Court will sentence you into prison for 4 years, suspended and probated for 4 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Do you receive SSI or no?
This mess.
All right, there's going to be proof of SSI within 45 days of release. There's to be no occupation as a home healthcare provider. So with regards to your sister, you can't receive money for that, you understand?
I don't expect no money for it. I just do it out to help them.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
sure. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. There's going to be sober support meetings. How old are you, sir?
I'm 68.
All right, there's going to be sober support meetings, 20 in 20 days. TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow recommendations, but we'll start with outpatient treatment. I'm going to order 200 hours of community service restitution. There's to be an hour deducted for every sober support meeting completed. Now, the home that you'll be residing in, are there any minors in that home?
No, just me and my sister.
All right, there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. That may change once he's demonstrated his ability to maintain his sobriety.
Great, Judge.
Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed this plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, so we can go off the record. Here's the thing. It appears that you have a drug problem. You're going to have to address that. You're not going to be any good to your sister if you're constantly in and out of jail, or if your mind is clouded by illegal substances.
Correct.
Okay, all right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone else ready?
Jessica Cantu, page 6 of the bottom.
Jessica Cantu? Hello, how's it going?
Good. I wore your LSU colors today.
Yeah, hey, I appreciate that. And I can't even believe the, there's another person that I watch in Japan who's a teacher there, but she speaks perfectly, I think she speaks perfect Japanese. I think her name is, it starts with a W.
It's impressive. I've met plenty of people that live there 10 years plus
Yeah.
and still didn't speak any Japanese.
I think it's Wama, yeah, I can't remember what the name of the city is, but it looks like a beautiful place to live. And she was driving in the snow and everything. All right, so what is happening with this case?
Judge, we were here in court early December, and at that time, Ms. Cantu had 2 cases. And that original case was dismissed, and so we're here on the second case. I don't know if you recall this or not, but she asked for a different attorney, and I think that she's hired John Young on this.
Yeah, well, the thing is that, I was trying to tell him that, they had charged me with a crime, and then,
Well, no. So here's the thing. If you've hired another attorney, then this attorney is no longer your attorney, and we have to. Ms. Ferguson, has John Young filed notice?
Yeah, no, there's no notice.
I just want to see if we can get a reset, get that straightened out. If
Okay.
John really is the attorney, then
All right, Norma, you want to recall this for Thursday?
Yes, that's fine.
Are you available for Thursday, counsel?
Is there any, is there any way that, cause I was gonna go to law library for all the motions. Is there any
No,
way that I
my
could-
understanding is that you have hired an attorney and that attorney is John Young.
Yes.
So we'll need to have him here because we don't have a notice of retained counsel on file.
Miss, could you also, tell me what your phone stuff?
Now, here's the thing, he can no longer tell me anything if you have another attorney. We're just trying to make sure that is the case.
Okay.
So, Norma, we'll recall this for the 26th.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, yes. Oh, Bashan. Who's there on Christopher Zuniga?
Zuniga?
You're done with the flu? It seems like everybody has some kind of bug.
Oh, man, we're trying to keep it from coming back around.
Yeah. Isn't that song by Cara King? It will be coming back around again or something? All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 7832 State versus Christopher Zuniga. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Credit for the state.
Brandon Lopez from Mr. Seneca.
And are you Mr. Zuniga?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled
Oh,
motion to?
Oh, Your Honor, I hate to interrupt. I was approaching the court on a reset, Your Honor. I had indicated on the sheet that I turned
Oh,
in.
nobody told me that. So why are we requesting a reset?
Your Honor, I conferred with the state, and they gave us, two offers. My client is requesting time to consider those offers and make a decision by
All
next
right,
setting.
how old are you?
41.
I'm sorry, what?
41.
All right, so that needs to be considered today. All right, so let me know when y'all are ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, if the court will indulge, he knows what he wants to do.
All right. All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 7832. Mr. Zuniga, did you review the document entitled motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Christopher Michael Zuniga who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 7832 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on December 11, 2023 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Judge will be proceeding on a violation of condition number 41. Specifically, that on or about the 31st day of October 2025, in Travis County, Texas, the defendant Christopher Miguel Zuniga is then and there failed to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bear County Community Supervision First Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, and that the defendant was unsuccessfully discharged from the Austin Transitional Center in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? True. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, I could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 10 years in prison and a $500 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of 41?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, there's the proposed agreement is to revoke the defendant and sentence him to 2 years TBC.
That's our understanding, Your Honor.
All right, so has he done anything
Your Honor,
other than the inpatient treatment?
he did complete the safety.
All right.
Judge,
Yes.
we did, thank you. It looks like he actually went to safety 2 times, one for 294 days, once for 163. It was that second time in which he did not receive the residential aftercare. Other than that, Judge, that's it.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
I am, Your Honor.
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Thank you.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, credit for any successful inpatient treatment completion. And there is to be no residing in households with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because I followed your the recommendations for our attorneys and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. If you don't control your sobriety and just go to it second by second, minute by minute, hour by hour, you know what's going to end up happening? Either you're going to end up in prison for the rest of your life, or either somebody's going to have to identify your body. And I don't think you want any of those things. So when you're released from prison, you need to immediately go to a sober living house. They have transitional homes all over the city. If you can't find one, when you're released, I'm still here, you come here, I'll make sure that you get into one, okay? All right, good luck to you, sir. You're
Thank you, Judge.
welcome. You're welcome. All right, anyone else ready?
On page 1 at the bottom, Ray Cordova.
Ray Cordova. All right, today is plea deadline date.
Yes, Judge, we don't have a plea. We've been tendered a plea, but Mr. Cordova wants a jury trial.
All right, Norm, I need a jury trial date. How long is this trial gonna last? All right, it's 2 days.
Either April 28th.
All right, your jury trial date is gonna be April 28th, and you need to make sure that you're on time for court. You were late today. Starts at 9. Do you understand? All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Your plea deadline date has expired. Court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, just have a seat. They'll bring the reset form to you. And if y'all can make sure I have an acknowledgement of discovery if there's any new discovery. All right, anyone else ready?
Yeah, but.
Wow.
Approach even if my guy's not here, right?
Okay.
Yes.
On page 6, second one, Damien Pettis.
Damon Pettis. And where is he? Oh, he's right there. Are you Damon Pettis? All right, yes. All right, your attorney will confer with you. Just have a seat. No problem.
You can check in.
Yeah. We'll see. We may be in trial today, maybe not. Mhm. Well, oh no, this will be a different one. Because that one we had to coordinate with the defense attorney's schedule, the state's schedule, and their witnesses. Oh, sometimes people are receiving Social Security or whatever. So, and then sometimes with the Social Security, they're not allowed to work, or either they've been designated as 100% disabled, 90% disabled. So if that's the case, I can't tell them to go work when. So yeah, so they'll just bring proof to probation. No.
Judge, we actually, can I approach you off docket matter?
Oh,
It'll take like less than
okay.
a minute.
Yes.
I promise. For Meredith. So Anthony Cochran, I don't know if you remember that case. He filed motions to exceed the standard 30 hours. The case that was pled is a cause number that ends in A. But it looks like you signed the one on C, which is one that's closed, and so you'll see a sign order at the back of that. So I'm just trying to see if you can actually sign the A.
Oh, sure. Oh my gosh, that was very simple.
Just want to make sure nothing kicks back or voucher, because the A is what has the additional hours for the investigator and all that.
Okay. There you are.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Do the see the scan.
Yes, I'm ready.
You want to get. Yeah, it's page 2, 1 down, Jeff. Data punches.
James Sanchez. The plea paperwork for you guys, do I?
Great, let me get the.
Okay. I mean, have you all been sworn in and everything?
No, he has not been sworn in.
Oh, so I'll take it up. You can have a seat, so they'll come to you, swear you in, then I'll take it up. Juan Lozano. Who's the attorney for Juan Lozano?
Bridget?
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 10786 State versus Juan Lozano. Can I have parties announced?
Repainting for the state of Texas.
Bridget Garza for defense.
And are you Juan Lozano?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Juan Lozano who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 10786 for the offense of deadly conduct discharging a firearm on March 23rd, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violation condition number 1, on or about the 19th day of December 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Juan Rogelio Lozano, committed the offense of assault in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State will waive the 3 remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objection to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, that is to grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant's probation, adjudicate him guilty, and sentence the defendant to 4 years TBC.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor. That's our agreement.
All right, so what I can tell both parties, 1, I don't have to follow any agreements that have been reached because this is a contract with the court. Now, what I see here is that there were concerns. That's why the court ordered a mental health evaluation. That's why the court ordered him to DDRF. He didn't qualify for DDRF because everybody knows DDRF, either you need too much help or you need too little help. You have to just hit it just right to be accepted. So obviously there are issues that he has, and I don't know if the court has the ability to address that. So if somebody has information for the court that can address the issues that he have, I'll continue him. If y'all don't have those issues, I'll follow your agreement. Because it appears to the court that there may be some capacity issue and some mental health issues going on here.
At the time of the incident, he was 21 years old. He's now 24 years old. He does need a structured environment because of his mental health issues. The original offer from the probation department was for him to go to state ISF. Although I did not have a recommendation from the state, but because the original offer from state ISF from his original probation officer, I'm assuming that that recommendation was based upon what the court has just mentioned, the mental issues that he was having. Unfortunately, he did not qualify for DDRF. And since then, the mental health issues have not been addressed.
He also didn't qualify for the new caseload as well, so that tells me that they may not be as significant as portrayed if they're not even willing to accept this at all.
Okay. So what I can do, and I'm, have you all conferred with probation?
Briefly, Judge.
I may want to confer with probation
Okay.
extensively.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Judge.
All right. Who's next?
Oh, we're ready to approach on Damon Bettis, page 6, second down.
Yes. All right. Damon Pettis.
We have communicated and exchanged contact information.
Awesome. All right. So I'm doing great. So here's the thing. This court starts at 9 a.m. So you need to make sure that you're on time. I see that this is probably your first appearance here. So now you know where the court is located, you know how the traffic is, and you know how the line is. So make sure you're on time, okay? Right, so where are we on discovery?
Judge, I believe discovery is complete. However, there are some companion misdemeanor cases that are associated with this. So Ms. Shaw and I have discussed a tentative plea offer that will be tendered in that setting. I just need to explain some of the things to the complainant.
Okay, so how much time are y'all requesting?
Between 3 days, I think the 30 days.
30 days, 40 days?
I was gonna say 45 if the court will allow.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset, please, and you can just put it for discovery. All right, we'll be back on April 9th, and if your attorney wants you here sooner, they'll let the court know. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, who's next? All right, we're back on the record in 2022 CR 10786, Juan Lozano. Could I have parties re-announce for the record, please?
For the state of Texas.
Bridget Gossett for defense.
All right, have you all had a chance to speak with probation?
Yes, Judge.
All right. So are you all still asking the court to follow the same recommendation?
State is, I believe defense has a different recommendation.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, I'm asking the court to send Mr. Lozano to ISF. I misspoke earlier. The recommendation from the probation department was local ISF, not state ISF. Probation department just did provide the report when he was screened. And when he was interviewed, he denied having any mental health issues. But it's my position that he denied having mental health issues because he has mental health issues. I have spoken to his mother, who's here present in the court, and he was being treated for bipolar schizophrenia, and he was attending crystal counseling. The crystal counseling was canceled because Medicaid wasn't paying for it any longer. And his counselor there was Mr. Mike. Based upon that new information, Judge, we are asking the court to give Mr. Lozano some treatment. And it's our position that ISF would be best for the cognitive issues that he has.
All right, so here's my question. With regards to the new number one, what is happening with that? Because if I give him ISF, he's going to remain in limbo until that case is resolved. And I don't know anything about that case.
This,
I'd also like to point to Your Honor that this is his third MTR.
Okay.
But if ISF is granted by the court, the new case will be filed and he'll have to deal with that initially in court. If Your Honor grants state's motion and the sentence him to prison, the state will dismiss the new number two.
Okay. So for the court's record, I have this as his second MTR, but this is what I tell everybody. He was here previously on a violation and he wasn't approved for DDRF or MIC. So these are your options. One, I'll deny the motion, alternate amend conditions for local ISF. You're going to be in limbo until that case is taken care of. Or number two, I'll sentence you to 2 years.
can I have just 1 second? Judge?
Sure.
No, you said it was that.
All right, so those are your options. One, I'll deny the motion, alternate amend conditions to ISF. I'm taking under consideration the fact that the defense counsel has in their possession proof that you previously were seeing a doctor for mental health issues, or I'll sentence you to 2 years.
You want to go to inpatient treatment? He wants to go to inpatient treatment. Judge, and just to clarify, we, the state offered to dismiss the new number one if he pled true. And so I believe the state will dismiss the new number one.
All right. All right, thank you. So the court will deny the motion, alternate amend conditions to include local ISF and probation based upon new documentation that he's previously been diagnosed with mental health. I'm sorry, that he previously has a mental health diagnosis. Can he be reevaluated for the MIC caseload?
Judge, I don't have the documentation. I conferred with his mom.
All right. And for the record, counsel is saying that's from the defendant's mother. State. For the new number one, is there a no contact order that's needed? For the new number one, is there a no contact order that's needed? All right, and is okay. All right, we're gonna see what we can do, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you for coming down. All right, we're back on the record. This is what we're gonna do. Court is gonna deny the motion, alternate amend conditions. This is gonna take place in custody. There's gonna be an evaluation for the mental health caseload, local ISF, ISP. There's to be no contact with the complainant. If he wants to have contact with you, he'll need to come and let the court know.
Sure.
And probation, also a referral to Center for Healthcare Services if it's needed. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, good luck to you. Stay in contact with probation and be honest on the evaluations.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
God bless you.
Oh, thank you. God bless you too.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge,
Yes.
I have an attorney asking me for my diary on a case where the guy was found not guilty. Am I allowed to even give him that transcript? It's been expunged. Down, Judge.
Eric Allen.
That's it.
I'm sorry, Aaron Allen.
Do you want him up here?
Yes, please.
Whatever.
All right, what is happening with this case?
So Judge, we are asking for one reset. We think there may need to be a motion to suppress heard, but I am in need of finding a witness that was the Uber driver on that day. And so I'm asking for 30 days for a reset, and then if we could set it for a contested motion to suppress, when I find that witness, I will know whether or not we need to go forward
All
on
right,
it.
I'll set it for discovery.
Okay.
And then if there needs to be a motion to suppress, we can always set it. Ms. Ferguson, I needed 30-day reset. All right, it's March 26th. You were late for court. Do not be late again, okay? All right. All right, thank you. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring the reset form.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, who else?
Next one is Robert Lopez, page 7 went down.
Robert Lopez.
I think it's Robert Bettis. And Judge, he's the one on the walker. I don't know if you, I mean, he's gonna have to exit at some
That's
points, but
What is happening with that
so
case?
let me tell you what's happening with that. So that one is, he's got 2 intoxication assault PF cases. The state believes that those are going to be indicted within the next 45 days. So
All right, let's, now reset this for 45 days, please.
and he's in jail. April 9th.
April 9th.
That's fine.
I'm on a hunger strike and I can't get released.
Okay, may we be excused?
Yes.
Okay. Are you guys ready? Yes, we're. Come over here, hurry up. I don't want you to have to walk all the way. Of course. Of course.
Hi, ma'am. I have.
What is, let me see what we're here for.
You're supposed to go to trial you on Tuesday. Yeah. Okay, I know that's election day too.
All right, could I see the personnel, Mr. Wilkins, please?
Couple weeks ago. So I've been on this case since I believe mid-January to late January. This is my first setting on the case, but he has been in custody for a very long time. But he had at least one prior attorney during that
Okay,
time.
and so the reason why is because we were waiting for him to be restored to competency, and now he's been restored.
That's correct. This is our first setting on the case.
Okay. Are you ready for trial?
Not today. Well, we were talking about setting it for trial. State's made the initial offer. I haven't been able to relay it. There's some discussions that happened. I've not been able to relay the offer to my client. But I will be ready whenever we set it for trial.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Mr. Wilkins, recall him for tomorrow so his attorney will have a chance to discuss things with him at that time. And maybe at that time, he'll understand the reason why it's been a while since he's been brought over.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. All right, has Bridget talked to Belena Page?
That could be a plea judge.
All right.
She already turned in paperwork.
We're waiting on some just
I have to smell all of our control for a refund.
All right, what page is that on?
On page 5 at the bottom.
Jose Salazar.
Oh, Judge.
Oh, hi. Good afternoon. All right. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
Judge, we've received discovery. We've got an offer today from the state. There is quite a bit of discovery. I still need time to review it.
We'd ask for a reset to give me time to finish discovery and also continue talks with the state with regard to the offer.
All right. How old are you?
17.
17? All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for 60 days for a plea deadline date.
April 23rd first?
No.
No, I mean, I'm sorry, yeah. The week after that.
Oh, yes, that's fine.
April 27th.
All right, April 27th will be your plea deadline date. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
I thought he was gonna go bit up the budget stuff, I'm not gonna get.
Who's here on Jai Kadim Sanchez? Deputy Laura, if you'll let the jurors know to be back at 1:45.
45, Judge?
Yes. Court is calling 2025 CR 015344 and 2026 CR 002605 State versus Jai Sanchez. Is it Jai or Jay? Jai Sanchez. Could I have parties announced?
For the state of Texas.
Rochelle Smith for Mr. Sanchez.
And are you Mr. Sanchez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Sanchez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
And that's in each cause number.
Yes.
And the cause number ending in 05, did you review the waiver of indictment reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to have a right to have a grand jury hear the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether or not there's sufficient evidence to hold you over for trial? Did you understand your attorney has certain right, namely, once the information is presented, the attorney has the right to have the passage of 2 days and they have 10 days to prepare for trial. Did you understand? By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in that case? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. In that cause number, did you review the felony information with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Good.
And the other cause number, let's see what it is. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? And each cause number, counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, in each cause number, are you proceeding on the legal documents as presented? All right, in cause number ending in 44, you're charged with an unlawfully carrying of a weapon. And in cause number 05, you're charged with assault family household member previous conviction. One cause number under 44 is a second-degree felony. The other is a third-degree felony. That is listed under the court admonishments. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Okay. Right. That's okay. All right. The third degree felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. Second degree, the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
And in the cause number ending in 4-4, if I were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 0-5, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes,
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he.
Mr. Sanchez, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. They will run concurrently. The state is opposed to your application. There are no contact orders and affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition or be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 015344, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
In cause number 2026 CR 002605, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
For both cases, Your Honor, will authorize evidence, states exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objection, Judge.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In each cause number at the review and states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Do you want a PSI? If you want a PSI, the date is going to be longer. If you would like to waive the PSI but set it for the court to hear from witnesses, I can do that as well. Which do you prefer?
I think we do need a PSI, Judge.
Is there a need for a TAP evaluation?
Yes, Judge.
All right, I need a date for a PSI and TAP.
April 7th.
All right, April 7th. You'll be back here on April 7th, and I'll base my decision on any evidence that's presented. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
May I be excused?
Yes. All right, court is going on recess.
No, please, the ball, sit down with Sean.
Yeah, you touched with Sean. Pay attention. Okay.
Okay.
Number, what page was Jay or Jai Sanchez on?
Page 4.
All right, thank you.
Are we gonna go over the docket?
Yes, we are.